We might get a big Texas snow day next week, from the rooter to the tutor. That's right. But we might not. We might be getting another Santa Ana event next week. But we might not. Comet Atlas is shooting past the sun in the most amazing kind of ways. Isn't that fascinating? Happy New Year and welcome to the future, y'all. Round and round we go, it never ends. Round and round we go, it never ends. So definitely try and have some fun while you're here. But stay cool and play defense. And happy birthday, Jenny. Next week could definitely be a super southern snow day event. So get prepared to have maximum fun now. Squirrel. Man, people were like, they're going to shut TikTok down. I was like, well, Alex Jones kept saying for 6 months, they're going to shut InfoWars down, but they never did. So I'm not really worried about TikTok getting shut down. I don't think it's going to happen. Could be wrong though. The general public's editing skills have improved greatly in the last 12 years, I gotta say. The FDA banned red dye number 3 from food, drinks, and ingested drugs in the U.S. But red dye number 1, 2, and 4 are still totally legal. Doom so bad, artificial intelligence boobs are back. Squirrels, are you ready for next week's story, Fire and Ice? Israel and Palestine have agreed on a ceasefire and the releasing of hostages to start Sunday. So that's nice. Cool.